If you've got pet dander, dust from a wood burner, or your allergies kick in the second you walk in the door, the air in your home is doing more than you think. So let's go over the Clarifion Air Ionizers, this 3-pack right here. I'm gonna go over what these actually do, the key features, run a quick demo, and then talk about who these are for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. So this is a filterless plug-in air ionizer. It comes in a 3-pack and it's made by Clarifion. Each unit is small, lightweight, plugs into any standard 120 volt outlet, and uses less than 1 watt of power. So that's really the category here. It's not an air purifier with a fan and a filter, it's an ionizer. Okay, so let's have a closer look at this. So you've got the unit itself, and it's pretty small, so it fits in this palm of my hand here, really compact. And there's a single LED on the front that lights up when it's plugged in, and I'll plug it in a second here. And that's your indicator that it's working. So there we go, it's plugged in and you can see the blue light. Okay, so let's go over some of the features here. So this releases negatively charged ions from the front of the unit. And those negative ions attach to airborne particles like dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke. So once they attach, the particles get heavy enough to fall out of the air and settle on the surfaces below. So instead of breathing those particles in, they end up on your floor or your furniture, where you can vacuum or wipe them up. And it's really a different approach than a traditional filter, based purifier. Just keep that in mind. The particles don't disappear, they get pulled out of the air. Next feature here is the filterless design. So no replaceable filters, no consumables. So you plug it right in and that's really it. And there's nothing to swap out every few months, nothing to buy on a subscription, no maintenance schedule. And for me, that's actually one of the biggest selling points here of owning air purifiers, where the filter replacements end up costing more than the unit over a couple of years, which is really annoying. And with those, you skip that entirely. Also, this is a really quiet operation. There's no fan, no moving parts, it's completely silent. So there's no hum, no whoosh of air, nothing. And which is really nice if you want one in your bedroom, baby's room, or right next to your desk in an office. You won't hear it at all, even at night. Also, kind of a hidden feature of this is in the dark room, it gives off enough light to function as a low-key nightlight. So you can see your way through the bathroom without, flipping on the overhead light. Okay, so a few things I really like about this. The set it and forget it factor is real here. There's no maintenance, no filters, no noise. You just plug them in and you don't think about them again. And for people with pets, allergies, or homes with wood burners or a lot of dust, that's a real benefit. And the fact that you get 3 in the pack is also nice, because the whole point is using 1 per room. And a single ionizer in 1 room of the house isn't really going to do much for the rest of your space. Also, it's pet safe, no exposed fans or blades or chemicals, which matters if you got curious cats or dogs. One thing that's important to note is these don't work like a traditional air purifier. The particles don't get trapped inside a filter, they fall onto your surfaces, so you'll still need to dust and vacuum regularly. If you were hoping to skip cleaning, this isn't going to do that for you. It's more about what you're breathing rather than, what's on your shelves. Also, the other thing, these are not powerful enough to replace a full HEPA purifier if you've got, serious air quality issues like wildfire smoke or heavy mold. Think of these as a supplement to, good airflow and regular cleaning, and not a complete air filtration system. So who are these for? These are really for anyone who wants gentle, low maintenance air freshening in multiple rooms. If you've got pets, mild allergies, or you just want, fresher air in your bedroom or office without the noise of a fan, these fit in really well. It's also a great option if you travel a lot and want something portable, or if you're outfitting a college dorm, an RV, or a small apartment where a big air purifier doesn't make sense. So who this is not for. So if you need medical grade air filtration, if you've got severe asthma or you're dealing with wildfire smoke, you're gonna want a proper HEPA purifier, not this. And if you don't want to deal with dust settling on your surfaces, this approach probably isn't for you. So in my opinion, this is definitely an air ionizer worth checking out, as long as you go in understanding what it actually does. It's not a replacement for a HEPA filter. It's a quiet, filterless, plug and forget option for freshening the air in multiple rooms at once.